Welcome to Wife's Cookbook, where sometimes we may burn the rice. Let's get started with dinner. Let's start off with organic, better than bouillon. I prefer that over the premium. Some oil, butter, Goya, onion powder, and garlic powder. Measurements are down below. Mix well as you add in the water. Add the rice only after water has come to a boil. Add in CLEAN Orzo rice. My favorite is the Good & Gather Target brand. The grain is thicker and easier to cook with. Add in spinach and lower the heat down to low when you're ready to steam the rice. Oil in a pan over medium heat. Place seasoned breaded chicken thighs, ingredients are down below, into the pan. Do not have half a gallon of oil in the pan because I want both sides of the chicken crisp, but not greasy hot mess to where you're cooking into the roux sauce. The same chicken oil, add in the sliced onions over medium heat. Slowly add in small amounts of flour. Remember, you can always add in more later to get the thickened consistency you prefer. Add in butter, lower temperature to medium-low, and slowly add in heavy cream to avoid spillover. Tuscan Dairy Pure is the best brand that I've found so far with heavy cream. I do not like the Walmart version. I do not like the Publix version. They're way too watery. The Aldi and Target brands are the closest comparable consistency. Add the chicken thighs, allowing them to finish cooking. Garnish with preferred seasoning. And look at that mouth-watering thighs. Now, the fun part is the plate. Don't forget, next time, make sure that you have some red wine as you are making this recipe. Your family is going to be head over heels for this. And make sure that you hit that like button, that subscribe button, so that you can check us out for the next Wife Cookbook.